In a sunlit kitchen, a quirky chef tests a 5-minute mystery recipe that fizzes with surprising flavor. They blend cold brew with miso, drizzle honey, and fold in crispy rice to form a savory-sweet glaze. A splash of citrus and a pinch of chili wake the senses as steam swirls around a tiny skillet. The result is a glossy kitchen snack that delivers crunch, aroma, and a bold flavor jump in minutes. Viewers are invited to remix with what they have, proving creativity can transform minutes into memorable bites.